Good morning to you, Sally. Well, we are expecting scenes like that across a good part of the country today. A lot of fine, dry and sunny weather, but not all of us seeing that at all. There's some heavy rain in the northwest. All of us having the mild theme to the weather, though. Yesterday we had temperatures of 15. Today could be even possibly a little bit higher than that. But we've got this stubborn weather front that's been pushing into the northwest, bringing some rain over the past day or so, and that's continuing to bring heavy, persistent rain to the west of Scotland in particular. But elsewhere, for the bulk of the country, we're going to see some fine spells of sunshine, and temperatures are going to respond very nicely too. It won't be wall-to-wall blue skies. There'll be some cloud around, slightly thicker cloud across western parts of England and Wales. Further east, it's a bit of a brighter theme, and temperatures quite widely up to around 14. We could get a little bit warmer than that in one or two places. Quite a breeze, though, still coming in from the southwest across much of the country. Perhaps a little bit of light rain for the likes of Cumbria, and for Northern Ireland too. There'll be some dry weather, but I think by this afternoon, on and off outbreaks of rain. It's really across the northwestern half of Scotland that we're going to be seeing that rain, heavy and persistent. Eastern Scotland faring a bit better, but we could see up to 200 millimetres of rain falling by the end of tonight over the higher ground. That could cause a few issues with localised flooding. So as we head through this evening and overnight, eventually that rain across Scotland gets a move on, works its way southwards and eastwards too into parts of northern England and Wales. To the south of that, we've still got the milder air, but towards the northwest, things are changing a little bit later on as we head through tomorrow, and that's because we've got the colder air filtering in. So the mild air that's in charge today, during the day tomorrow, that gets squeezed further south towards the southeast of the country, colder air filtering in from the northwest. So we'll see a bit of rain on this weather front moving into parts of western England and Wales too through the middle of the day. Southeastern areas staying dry for quite a good part of the day, and we're still in the milder air here, so another fine day. But towards the northwest, more in the way of sunshine, and thankfully we will have lost that heavy rain, but temperatures pegged back into single figures. Could be quite a chilly night Sunday night heading on into Monday, but then we've got this area of low pressure working in from the west. That could be quite wet and quite windy during the day on Wednesday, particularly in the north, risk of gales at times in the far north. So some wet weather around on Monday. By Tuesday, it should have pushed through and cleared back into drier and brighter conditions. So mixed fortunes over the next couple of days. For some of us, we could see some fine sunshine and temperatures in the mid-teens. Back to you both.
Sarah, thank you.